I've been testing out the CurrentBody LED Mask Series 2 and I'm going to tell you all about it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Claire. A couple of weeks ago I posted up a video all about the upgraded LED mask by CurrentBody. It's like an unboxing video telling you all about it, the benefits, etc. Well, I promised that I'd be testing it out over a couple of weeks and here we are. I've been testing it for about 4 or 5 weeks now. So before I give you my results, let's go back to telling you a little bit about this mask and what it claims to do. Face mask contains 236 LED light bulbs that emit 3 different wavelengths. First up, you've got red light, which at 633 nanometers, it wakes up your skin and produces more collagen, which helps in reduced signs of anti-aging. Then you've got near nano infrared at 830 nanometers, which energizes your cells deep below the skin, which results in a firmer, brighter complexion. Then you've got the deep near infrared bulbs at 1072 nanometers. These target areas where signs of aging are more pronounced, like around your eyes and your mouth, for instance. These lights reduce inflammation, which is amazing for skin conditions like rosacea, but also enhances blood flow, which produces oxygen and nutrients to the skin as well. The clinically recognized wavelengths have been proven to penetrate the skin up to 10 millimeters, which is deeper than what retinol can do to your skin. They recommend to use it 3 to 5 times a week. It doesn't generate heat, so there's no damage to the skin. So it's completely painless, it's FDA approved, and no downtime either. Although there is a 60-day money-back guarantee, CurrentBody do say that you should be able to see a difference with your wrinkles, fine lines, and skin texture within 4 weeks. So now that we know a little bit about this mask, let's get on to telling you all about my experience of using it. I've been using it 4 times a week. CurrentBody suggests using it 3 to 5 times, and my preference is doing it in the evening. It takes a little bit of getting used to. I've got to be honest, it feels a little bit weird on the face. This mask, which is the Series 2, is a little bit different to the first one in that it's molded to your face. It's not particularly heavy, but it's not super lightweight either. It's not uncomfortable on your face, but it does get a little bit of getting used to. You've got 2 different straps here. You've got one for over the top of the head, and then you can close the back like that. What I find easier is putting it on my face, putting the straps on, and then adjusting it, then pushing up my chin, making sure that it's as close to my face as possible, and then just readjusting it with just changing this until I can get a snug fit. All our faces are different, but for me personally, I find that the chin area is not as tight to my chin as I'd like it, so I have to rearrange it and adjust it. It's just so that I can get a better fit. It's not an issue, it just means I just take a little while adjusting it. The light can be startling if you've never tried an LED mask before. It can be like, whoa, and it takes your eyes a bit to adjust, but it does adjust quite quickly. 10 minutes is all it takes, so it's easy for me to implement it in like a nightly routine. I am 48 years old. I'm going to be 49 this year. I've never had Botox, any form of injectables on my skin. Not that I'm against it, it's just something I've never done. As you would imagine, being a person of my age, I've got anti-aging concerns. Thankfully, I haven't got any deep set lines yet, but I'm noticing fine lines are more prominent on my forehead. When I smile, I can see laughter lines developing, a little bit jowly down here, although saying that I do have a lot of bad skin, which is another reason why I was excited about this mask due to the collagen production. It's because I've suffered with my skin since I was a teenager with really bad cystic acne, so I've got a lot of scarring and my skin is really thin around this area. I've got some gels developing. I do have some lumps and bumps, so the texture is not great. I also have something called sebaceous hyperplasia. I have had them removed a couple of years ago, but they're coming back and I hope to have them removed again this year. They're basically the sebaceous lumps under the skin, and they're prone in women and men, but more so in women that have suffered with acne or with extremely oily skin for most of their life. The only thing you can do to get rid of them is advanced electrolysis, but they can grow back. So yeah, so I'm noticing they are creeping back on me, which I want to get rid of this year before they get too big. While I tell you about what I've noticed about my skin, I'll put up 2 videos showing you my skin before I started using the mask and my skin yesterday morning. And yeah, let's see if we can see a difference. The first thing I've noticed in a change since using this mask is that my skin feels smoother. especially around here. So I think there's changes to my pores. I have got large pores. My mum and dad have got large pores. I'm on medication to control my acne, so my skin is not oily anymore. It's normal combination. They're just in large pores, and they're all over my nose, all over my cheeks there as well, and I hate them. I've always hated them. I didn't think pores can shrink, but my skin just feels smoother and not as lumpy. So I'm loving that. I haven't changed my skincare routine whatsoever. It's exactly the same now as what it was before I started. I wanted to make sure that there was no changes to anything that I was doing. And if I were to see any changes on my face, then it's purely down to the mask. I've also noticed as well is that my fine lines here, they don't seem as pronounced. I don't have deep lines developing there, but they were really noticeable, especially if my makeup was a little bit on the heavy side. You could really tell about my lines there, but no, my skin just looks a little bit smoother, as if it's plumper. It is a strange one. It's only been a couple of weeks. I wasn't expecting to see dramatic results, and I'm not seeing dramatic results, not yet anyway, but I'm excited to see how this goes, especially say in 6 months time, which if you'd like to see me do a video in 6 months time of me using this, then yeah, as always, please let me know and I'll do it for you. As well as doing beauty related content, I do have another YouTube channel all to do with my travel. I love going away, bargain weekends away and things, and I'm constantly vlogging. I'm vlogging in all lights. I haven't got these camera lights in front of me all the time, so when I'm vlogging in daylight, wherever I am, you are getting to see my skin up close in these videos, and I'm noticing more and more about my forehead lines. I don't like it, but then I've got to be realistic. The age I am, to have no wrinkles without Botox and filler and so on, you know, that is very unlikely, isn't it? So I've got to be real with myself, not so harsh. But again, I think they're smoothing out a little bit more. They don't seem as prominent as what they were before, especially in between my eyebrows. I'm just really excited to see how this journey goes using this mask. It's had loads of great reviews. You talk to loads of celebrities, makeup and skincare gurus. They rave about this mask and LED light therapy for your skin. And supposedly, with regular use, it could prevent aging by up to about 10 years. I don't know how true that is, but I have read that. Maybe when I'm 60, I look as if I'm in my early 50s. You never know. After testing this out for just over 4 weeks, around 4 times a week I've been doing it, I've noticed some changes. There's subtle changes, but they're definitely changes, and I'm excited to see how my skin will change as the months go on. So if you're interested in this mask for yourself, if you want to try it out yourself, it costs £399. CurrentBody also offer the option to pay over 24 months at £17.35, I believe, as well. There's international shipping, but if you live in the UK, delivery will be free, and CurrentBody has given me a code to share with you to receive 10% off, and that is my channel name, Diary of a Beauty Geek. And as well as 10% off this mask, you can use that code for other products on their website as well. I went for a coffee with a friend of mine after Christmas, and she told me that she has bought one herself, another friend of ours has bought one, and my friend's sister, her husband bought one for her for Christmas, plus a CurrentBody neck one as well, which sounds really good. That could be on my radar, because although this one does have a little chin piece, I have got a bit of a turkey neck going on there, and yeah, I'm noticing it's a little bit wrinkly there, so maybe I need to invest in that too, because you can wear them both together. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts, especially if you've bought one for yourself. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.